Hello everybody, welcome back to my IT workshop. Today I want to show you 6 useful Google features that you might not know exist. The first one I want to show you is Google Keep. So Google Keep is a note reminder app that can be used as most Google products across smartphones and desktops. You just have to type Google Keep on your web browser, look for the result, and then you click on try Google Keep. Now I am in a web browser, so I'm going to choose the web browser version for it. If you're already a Gmail user, most likely you are, Google will sync all your devices. Once you are in the app, you can add notes, list, pictures, and drawings. You can add labels and create more specific notes, like in this case, I have 4 labels: cooking, groceries, trending, and one more. I have started using Google Keep recently, and I like the idea of creating a list. In this case, I know when my schedule to cook, yes, I cook, I can create a grocery list, share it with my wife, and cross out or add what we need when we go to the supermarket. I also can add pictures. As you can see here, I had the picture for groceries, so that can be a reminder of what the note is about, what it may contain. If I don't like this, I can, of course, delete the picture and replace it, or just simple text. As you can see here, I have another, which is cyber cloud. I have machine learning. I have automation. You can add a lot of things here. I also have a lot of notes on the go. I have some thoughts here, some saying from people I follow. You can play with it. It's very interesting. The second one I want to show you is Google Scholar. So to access this, as you can see before, you have to Google it. Google Scholar is a service for school or college students, researchers, and anyone who wants some more juicy knowledge about some topic. This service adds extra filters that points out articles, books, and more in-depth websites. In other words, it's an academic search tool. In this example, I am looking for artificial intelligence, and one of the links sends me to Thang Long University. Honestly, I don't know where that is, but what I'm trying to say, it takes you to more serious sources of information. The third one I want to show you is Google Trends. This one is really useful to find out what people care about at a certain period of time. It is useful to get statistics, as we can see here. It can be globally or by country. In this case, I'm going to look for the entrepreneur Elon Musk because I admire him. As you can see here, we have the graph in a period of time. We can see that there has been a peak of people looking for Elon. You can also see the different states, in this case the United States, that people has been looking for it. So the dark blue is where more people are looking for that topic. There are many features you can configure. There is an explanation what it means, what the numbers mean, in every, in this case, state. What I like, another feature I enjoy about Google Trends is that you can look more than one topic and compare these two topics. Now I'm going to look for Bill Gates. And as you can see here, it shows me a comparison between these two searches. In this case, Elon Musk is more search than Bill Gates, at least in this period of time. You can see here, if I put my mouse on any state, it's going to show me statistics of how the difference is between these two topics. We can also choose by cities, and it's going to show us the most important cities. But like I mentioned before, we can also run the comparison worldwide. You can see here in the United States, specifically North America, and Australia, these two searches are, well, let's say trending, not much in Russia, for example. Well, the next one is called Google Fonts. This one is straightforward. Google offers a lot of, and I mean it, a lot of fonts to use for free. Look for the one you like or the ones you like, select them and download. As you can see an example, I click the add button and I have little information, and you have the download button as well. So you can install the fonts you like and start creating new documents, or I don't know, new presentations or anything that you can imagine with fonts. You can spend a lot of time here looking for the fonts because they really have a lot of them. Well, the next one is called Google Express. And what, well, we're going to type Google Express in the Google search engine. What Google Express is the e-commerce version that comes from Google. I compare it with eBay since the merchandise is not located in any Google warehouses. I don't even know if they have warehouses. It works with retailers such as Walmart and Target, amongst others. The only downside for the moment is that it's only available in the United States and Canada. In this case, I'm looking for this book, the CCNA Cloud. It's a certification. I'm going to pursue it in a few weeks. You can see here, I can get it from Walmart, but I'm using Google Express platform. Another example I want to show you is that this is a comic book I want to read for years, but I never really had the time to do it. I have to set aside some time. So I really like Green Lantern. And you can see here, I have all the details like in any other e-commerce website. The last one I want to show you is how to set timers on Google directly from the search engine. So you don't have to go to any website, well, google.com. I can set the timer for any time I want, in this case 30 seconds. I'm going to keep it running. I can go full window. The other feature I like, well, we can play with it. We can stop. The other one we have is stopwatch, so we can start it to check how long it takes you to do some task that you may like. When in the case of the alarm, when the time goes out, when the time runs out, you can there is a beep telling you that the time ran out. Well, there you go, guys. 6 services that Google offer with no cost that you might not have heard yet. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.